Before you start, I just want to say thanks to you, ma'am. I think it's a very good platform which you have started. Believe me.
Thank you so much.
And earlier, I opted for group classes for my daughter, but
Yes.
then I think it was not basically. Uh, then I thought it is better for her growth that I should shift it to the individual classes,
Hmm.
and then we went for the individual classes. And currently Priyanka Rawat, I think she's best. So thank you very much for such a faculty which you have
Thank
bring
you
in
so
into the
much.
Instrucko. And I was really struggling where I should go when we thought that we'll continue with Rashika for German language.
Hmm.
But I think uh, somehow we got your team, and it was a wonderful relation which is going on from last 1.5 years, and we want to continue till 11th or 12th class, so that once she is out from the 12th class, she will be good in German.
Thank you so
So
much.
thank you very much, first of all. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
So, my first question is, what is your profession and where are you from?
So currently, I've been working with Accenture. It's an
Okay.
IT company.
Yes.
So it's almost now 10 years I've been working with them, and prior to that, it is completely in the IT industry, ma'am. Genpact,
Yeah.
AIG, so
Okay.
IAG. So yes.
And which
So
city are you in?
I'm located in Delhi, Dwarka. I
Okay.
stay in Delhi, Dwarka. Yes, ma'am.
And how long have you been an Instrucko parent?
Uh, I think it's going to be 2 years in October, November. And
Okay,
as I,
wow.
as I mentioned, I want to continue, ma'am. Believe me, I want to
Thank you.
continue.
I'm so happy to hear that. I think with all the hard work that we put in when parents
Yes,
give us
yes.
the review that they do, I think that's what really makes this whole effort worth it. Why did you pick German for her?
Uh, okay, I think that's a good one, ma'am. I'll tell you. First, I explored the options and all. So first, I opted for Mandarin language, but then uh, I don't know. Somehow, I switched to German because of their innovation and all, and the higher study. They are very good, and when it comes to higher study, innovation. Uh, so somehow I kept that thing in mind that we should go for German. So in case if there is any difficulties in future, I see, I don't know the future, ma'am. What will happen in the future is very uncertain.
Of
But
course.
we have to keep working hard.
Yeah.
So somehow I thought, in case if something will not happen in India, so we have this option of German. And when you're going German, it is very important that you should be good in German language. Doesn't matter
Yes.
how qualified you are, but you should be good in German. So then I kept that thought in mind, and I thought, let's continue with German, and that is the reason I keep saying, Instrago, that it's not a short-term plan; it's a very long-term plan with you guys.
Thank you.
So
But
this is.
before Instrucko, did you find any other platforms? Because there are so many platforms. Did you
Uh,
try anything else?
Ma'am, I tried, I honestly speaking, but no one was ready to provide to teach the German language to the kids. I
Okay.
think somehow they are looking for these students like who are in 10th or 11th classes. So, but finally, that's why I'm saying, it's very good for us that at least you have brought this platform to us where kids can start learning this languages, ma'am. So that's why I keep saying thank you very much. Because I haven't seen, believe me, ma'am. I know
Thank
it's
you.
very difficult to teach kids the other language.
Yeah.
So
No, but I
yes,
think our belief is that, children, of course, the younger they are, the better they learn a language. And they
yes,
never forget it when they learn at that age,
right,
even if they're 3, 4, it's not
right,
too early to start
right.
learning a foreign language. So, since Rashika has joined Instrucko, what improvements have you noticed in her?
Uh, I think she is, in terms of, I would not say, because she is my daughter, but she has a good grabbing power also.
Hmm.
And she's learning good, ma'am. I think nouns, pronouns. My wife is not with me because normally I visit meeting. So my wife always accompany her. So
Okay.
probably she is a good person who can provide feedback. But normally when I get time, I sit next to her and I always listen to their conversation.
Okay.
But yes, your faculty is very good, ma'am.
Thank
that
you.
I must say.
What would you rate the teacher on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest and 1 the
But
lowest?
for me, it's somewhere between 9 to 10, ma'am. Honestly speaking.
Wow, that's very generous. And have you seen Rashika's confidence also improve with these
Yes, ma'am.
classes?
Yes, yes, yes. With individual classes, she has improved a lot.
And what school is she in?
She's in Maxford, Dwarka, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So before her classes, sometimes children are just, they don't enjoy classes online, especially. And, parents literally have to convince them to sit for a lesson. Is that the same case with her, or does she look forward to her
No,
instructor?
no, ma'am. She looks forward because
Okay.
study is something which is very important for us, ma'am,
Thank you.
and that is why
And
we keep investing in her. Uh, and secondly, she's very interested in learning the new language. We started with Spanish, but somehow I thought Spanish is very common now. And when it comes to the higher education, German is something which will give you some fruit in future. And secondly, it is very difficult language, ma'am. Believe me, very difficult. But
no,
she's
and
young. Yeah.
yeah. And how would you describe Instrucko in one word, if you had to just use one word?
Amazing, ma'am. First of all, thank you very much for bringing this platform to everyone because
Thank
no
you.
one is ready to teach children in such an early age. So thank you very much.
And
Even I
how,
have,
yeah, sorry.
sorry, even I have recommended Instrucko to my one of my faculty who lives in Germany. He's a SAP instructor, and he lives in Nepal. So I told them if you are looking because he wanted to ship their children in Germany also. So I told them if you want to start it, I think Instrucko is best. So probably he'll call you.
Wow, thank you so much. And how good is the content on a scale of 1 to 10?
Uh, yes, content something, ma'am. I think this you need to give me time, man. I think
Okay,
this is something where probably we can improve.
okay,
I mean, that's why somehow there was some work. My wife has gone to her parents' house because
okay,
I was checking with her if you want to share any feedback regarding the content. But I think as of now, it's good, ma'am. I don't see any challenge. Only thing is, if test or something can be done, would be good, ma'am.
sure.
Some
Okay.
assessment kind of thing can be added. It
Yes,
is good.
absolutely. We can do that. We
Yeah.
can absolutely add an assessment and, make sure that there is some sort of grading that happens if that's what you prefer. Any other advice for us that we can take as Instrucko and improve ourselves?
Ma'am, as of now, honestly, I don't have any advice for you guys.
You are
Uh,
a very generous parent. I hope all our parents are like
Ma'am,
you.
believe me, it's not like that. You're paying money and then you want everything from you guys. No, no, it's not like that. Because normally, what is tendency is if you are paying this one-on classes, so we should learn everything. No, I think we also need to see the kid. It's so early they are starting it. So uh, I think we have to be patient with them, and this is what we are doing. As I mentioned, my target is very long term, ma'am. So probably other parents they wanted to learn quickly, but for me it was step by step, and I don't want to pressurize her because she's already learning so many things.
Hmm.
But
Yeah.
yeah, she's enjoying, ma'am. When Priyanka ma'am is coming, so it's very enjoyable.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much for taking time out. I know you were busy on calls, but we really appreciate you giving this feedback to us. And we're so happy that you're so happy with this experience.
Yes,
Honestly,
yes,
I'm going to
ma'am.
sleep very well tonight after getting such good
Absolutely, ma'am.
feedback.
Absolutely.
But thank you very much for joining me today. Thank
And
you.
then, yeah, and I think one thing I wanted to say, ma'am, your faculties are very good, ma'am. I,
Thank you.
I think when they start with kids, so the way they teach it is very good. Earlier, I forgot that ma'am name. She was from Himachal. I think she got married and then she.
Okay.
But I think Priyanka ma'am is a bit at a higher in terms of the language. In terms of language capacity, I think she's very good, Priyanka ma'am.
Yeah, I think we actually, this is something we talk to all parents about, that when we hire our teachers, behind the scenes, we're interviewing hundreds of teachers before we hire one teacher.
Oh, okay.
Then we invest so much time training them, we've invested so much time creating content. As you're aware that, all our content is fully vetted, it's digitized, animated, we've added pronunciation to it. So for us, it's not just that you've paid money, so now you'll take, like you said, and it's so I'm so happy that my purpose is that when a parent comes to us, they shouldn't just do 20 or 40 classes but stay with us for a long time, which is
Yes,
what you're
ma'am.
doing,
Yes,
and
yes.
you've been with us for the last 2 years, like you said. You want to continue this learning journey, and I think
Yes.
that's really what shows that this is an experience that we've created which is not short lived, because a lot
Yeah.
of companies just have created maybe things where parents join, then they drop off, then I mean, and we've also learned and grown, but I'm just so happy that you have this feedback. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, it's a long time project, ma'am. But thank you very much, ma'am. Thanks.
Thank you.
It
Thank you for your
was so
time.
good. Yeah. Have a
Yes.
nice day, ma'am. Bye.
All right. Good night. Thank you.